I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the app ready and your essentials set. Open Maxim Pabili and pick the nearest store so the runner starts close to you. Once done, add each item with exact quantity and brand notes. This reduces substitutions and delays. Make sure to select your payment, card for speed or cash if you prefer. You can also set a tip up front. Starting this way speeds fulfillment and helps the runner find everything without calling you repeatedly. Once items are listed, double-check specifics so the runner knows exactly what to buy and where. Include a second choice for each product in case of stockouts. If an item is tricky, attach a photo and clear pickup directions to save time. Make sure to monitor the runner's status and respond quickly to chat questions. This prevents wrong purchases. If substitutions are proposed, confirm immediately to avoid wasted trips and keep delivery on schedule. When the runner arrives, check items against your list and the in-app receipt before accepting. This is your moment to catch mistakes. If something is missing or incorrect, open the help option and request a partial refund or redelivery. Support logs the issue right away. Make sure to rate and tip based on service and save this order as a favorite for faster repeat purchases. If you encounter repeated problems, change nearby store or contact support for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.